up and pick up!
Answer the phone!
Answer it!
Pick up the phone immediately!
If you don't pick up, you might miss something important.
So hurry up before you miss!
You best answer your phone.
Your device is ringing, fool. Answer the phone to achieve perfection. Maybe not as perfect as I, perfect Nazo, but still answer if you wish to live.
Ha ha ha! Greetings, mortal. It appears someone is trying to reach you on your mobile phone. I don't even know what that is, but I don't really care. If you want to be a villain like me, you will not answer. But if you want to be some goody two-shoes like Sonic, you might as well answer now. Pick up the phone, damn it!
Hello, you reached the house of Jet the Hawk. Leave a message after the beep.
This is Tails. I think your phone's ringing. I mean, do you want to pick up the phone? Please? It would be kinda nice if you would, pick it up though. I'm not pushing you or anything. Could ya, do it for me? Looky, look! Hey! Please answer the phone! Oh, not again! You're ignoring me! Aw, you're no fun! I'm just gonna keep bothering you till you answer it. I'm just gonna keep crying until you pick up the phone!
Hey, idiot, looks like you're getting a call. Hurry up and pick up the damn phone before I get that damn fourth Chaos Emerald. You idiot!
Appears that someone is calling you. I hope it's not another ninja. Though, it may be one of your comrades.
Hi, I'm Vector. Can you please answer the phone? Please answer the phone, please! The reason why I am saying this is because I forgot to delete the history all over again in the computer room. So, please answer the phone, please. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Anyone there? It's me, Chip. I have an emergency. We ran out of ice cream. No! How am I gonna have my Chip whatever stuff now? Answer this weird thingy I'm holding, please. Sonic, are you there?